Welcome to Social Class 6 Standard Prehistoric Society Continuation. Just take a recap. What is the difference between prehistoric period and proto-historic period? What is history? Today's class we can learn about different stages in prehistoric period, Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age and Neolithic age. Let's learn about prehistoric period. There are three different stages in prehistoric period. Now, Paleolithic age. This is the beginning stage of period, and this period is called archaeological stage of human history. Human beings, this period, they depend on the nature and they lived upon fruits, eatable plants, tubers, etc. And they lived in caves and rock shelter. They made variety of simple stone tools like the scrapers, knife, clavers, and they used large leaves and bark of the trees as clothes. Fruits, eatable plants, tubers were not available in all season. In the last stage of Paleolithic, they learn about of the hunting and fishing for food. They learn to control fire. Important sites of this age are Belanval in Uttar Pradesh and some of the places we got in the India, and this is the some of the place they are located in the India, and this period between 5 lakh years and 12,000 years ago is recognized as Paleolithic age. Now let's learn about Mesolithic age. This period between Paleolithic age and Neolithic age. Hence, it is called as Mesolithic age. During this period, human beings started using small tools that were more efficient than the bigger one. Hence, this period is also called as Microlithic age. These smaller tools were fixed to a wooden handle and it was used while hunting. And they were also gathering wild nuts. But the food was not available many a time. They had endured hunger. They started rearing animals that were wounded during hunting or rearing the offsprings that were found during hunting. These animals were the secured sources of food for them. This slowly led to animal husbandry. Then they roamed around in search of food for themselves and their animals. Wherever they stayed, they used to draw picture on the rocks that were used as their shelter. Animals' hide was used as their dress. They know about the fire and its utilize. Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Rajasthan, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh are the few important places of that age. Mesolithic period was between 12,000 and 9,000 years ago from now. Now learn about Neolithic age. In this period, people started producing their own food. During Neolithic age, they started cultivating crops on the alluvial soil on the banks of rivers. Agriculture provided food to them and to their animals. Agriculture became the first step in the direction of civilization and culture. The first evidence of agriculture in Indian subcontinent is found in Mehergarh of present Pakistan. Then the people here constructed houses of sun-dried bricks for living. Then they started storing their food in underground. Then they started manufacturing pots which became easy to store food. They were using hand axe and other tools made out of bone. The evidence of Neolithic age are found in Banahali, Brahmagiri, Haluru, T. Narsipur of Karnataka and Bihara. The period of Neolithic age is usually fixed as between 9,000 and 5,000 years ago from now. Now assignment time. Now take down homework. Thank you. See you in next video.